Fire festivals mark the pivot points in our year. Samhain is the start of winter. Imbolc is the start of spring. Bealtaine, summer. And then Lunasa heralds autumn.
Bí muid gcónaí geirí síniú ma agus áhaintear sa dhéanú leis a dúldra. Agus sírim go godíonn na féilte seo linn an táhaintear sin a dhéanú.
You have a complete awareness in the festivals that they were following the wheel of the year.
The traditional festivals within Celtic spirituality are reconnecting not only with our fellow human beings, but with the place in which we find ourselves, with the seasons as they play out in that place.
Bíonn dearcú eile fad ag daoine agus iad ag freastal na ceiliúrthaí séasúrtha seo. Leis na jazzgratha, leis an timbalachas, leis an tiniú, bíonn daoine I dún leis an chó is iliach.